Name a reason you think Steve Harvey's a good kisser.
Kanye West destroys Kris Jenner in hilarious Family Feud promo. Plus, Kim and Kanye celebrate their 4-year wedding anniversary. All is fair in love in Family Feud. Kris Jenner took to Twitter to share a clip of her family's upcoming episode of Family Feud hosted by Steve Harvey. And in the clip, we can see that the Kardashian-Jenner-West fam has been divided up into 2 groups, Team West and Team Kardashian/Jenner. Team West includes Kanye, Kim, Kanye's aunt Kim Wallace, and his cousins Jaleel Peraza, and Good Music A&R Ricky Anderson. And on Team Kardashian-Jenner, we have Kris, Khloe, and Kendall, Kim's BFF Jonathan, Grandma Mary Jo, and cousin Cece, and they're all bringing their A-game to the show. Judging by the promo, the most entertaining part of the June 10th episode by far is going to be literally every answer that Kanye West comes out with.
Name a reason you think Steve Harvey's a good kisser.
Lips. I'm here to win, bro. I'm here to win.
As for the prize money, winnings from both sides will be donated to Children's Hospital of Los Angeles.
It's Kanye,
Who is this next to you? Want to introduce?
Kim, and the Kardashians, kicking off an all-new season of Celebrity Family Feud.
See how it is. Not today, Kim.
I got a feeling when this game over, it ain't gonna be over.
Steve Harvey, do you even watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians? Because they could have literally named the reality show Family Feud if it wasn't already taken. And in other Kardashian news, today marks Kim and Kanye's 4-year wedding anniversary. To mark the occasion, Kim shared a beautiful never-before-seen photo from their 2014 nuptials in Italy. Kim adoringly captioned the photo, quote, 4 years down and forever to go. Thank you, babe, for giving me our family and caring so much about us. Thank you for inspiring me on a daily. I'm so lucky. I can't wait for forever. Happy anniversary. That doesn't shut down all those incessant Kanye divorce rumors once and for all. Frankly, we don't know what will. Happy anniversary to Kim and Kanye. All right, guys, now I want to know if you'll be tuning in to the Kardashian-Jenner-West episode of Family Feud on June 10th. And which team are you rooting for? And are you surprised it's already been 4 years since Kanye tied the knot? Sound off with all your thoughts and feelings in the comments. And after that, you can click right over here to see all the 13 reasons why Season 2 Easter eggs you might have missed. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for even more Clevver news. As always, I'm Sinead DeFries, and I'll see you guys next time.